Hello world, I'm Sanit and welcome back to my nunchuck hack the box. Let's hack. This title is getting out of hand. So last time we found this website, we tried to log in, create an account, but we're sorry, but registration is currently closed. So I'm at a loss at what I should do. I just noted this down so that we have it for further reference. It's using an Express server, so I don't know, what are we gonna do? Some suggestions in the comments would be nice. Let's maybe make this a little bit bigger so that we can actually see something. Send this to the repeater and then let's see what we're actually sending. So last time I basically glanced over it real quick so that you get the gist of what this actually is, but this time I want to see what we're sending exactly, but it doesn't look like there's something hidden in here, like maybe a special flag or something, so it looks pretty normal to me. Now a cool thing would be if we could check like what the backend is doing, because the backend is telling us that ain't gonna work. The backend is Express, and we're running on Nginx. Now we can try some simple things, like let's send something that isn't an email. Let's send an empty email. Okay, we get the same thing back. Let's add, I don't know, maybe alert 1, the basic XSS thing. Let's add it to everything and see if that does something. I have no idea. No, we're sorry, but registration is currently closed. What if instead we just set return? Now what I'm trying to do is cause the server to run into an error, but it looks like we have no chance on this signing thing. So maybe let's disable the interception for the moment so that we can just browse around. Maybe we can do some SQL injection. Well, the challenge actually said it was server-side template injection, which I have no idea about as of now. But I'm pretty sure by the end of this challenge I will know a thing or two about server-side template injection. So let's try admin or 1 equals 1. Something like this, and then agree and log in. Oh, please include an ad. Alright, let's add an ad so that they're happy. Enter a part following the ad. Okay, test.com. I mean, a part followed by ad should not contain the symbol. What is it telling? A part followed by the. You know what? Let's inspect this thing. We can disable this whole. Let's check it out. How is that verified? How's that working? Input email. Yeah, let's check out the sources. Do we have assets, JavaScript, login? All right, document input value, but somewhere we're doing like the input validation, and it looks to me like it's the default. Yeah, you know what, let's just remove that email type and set it to text. Who cares? Nobody cares. So let's send this. Hello? Okay, I got a bunch of errors in the console. Uncode type error, cannot read property value of null. Okay, so we need it to be an. Okay, so it needs to be a email type. required. Let's disable that. HTML disable email checks. Maybe we have to disable like the email checks. Disable validation of HTML form, blah blah blah. Is that a way? We have to no validate the form. Alright, I hope that's gonna work just right out of the box without trying something else. No validate, login. Okay, we're sorry, but user logins are currently disabled. What is enabled in here? Now we have start selling. Alright, okay, so before we do some crazy sublisting and stuff, let's take a wild guess. Now this is about shopping, about shop creation. So let's just try if there is a subdomain called shop.nunchucks. Nope, doesn't look like it. Can I do a sublister? Now the question is, if I want to find subdomains, actually, why am I looking for subdomains? Let's just look for shop, right? This page doesn't exist. Okay, so it looks like we have to enum a bunch of things, because with the things that I'm seeing, I can't really work with. So maybe let's go to discover. We have these things. We have the lightbox back. I have a dashboard. We have sign up. I mean, we can try something like admin. This page doesn't exist. Okay, so let's try something else. Let's read the TLDR for GoBuster. And let me put this so you can see it actually. So TLDR GoBuster. Discover S3 buckets. Oh, what? Discover subdomains. Discover directories and files that match in the word list. Okay, that's the one we want. Now, do I even have GoBuster installed? I guess yes, otherwise why would it work? So the website is nunchucks.htb. We're gonna let this run. Let's clean this up. And the word list. Okay, now we have to find some word lists on Kali. I think they are in user share word lists. And then we have Dirbuster. Let's go with Dirb. What do you have? Let's go with common and run this. Command GoBuster. Okay, so let's install it. Why did I pick GoBuster? I mean, there's Dirb, there is Dirbuster, there is, I don't know, there's like 10 different kinds of directory busters. Let me know in the comments down below which one is your favorite and why, because what the hell is happening? The server returns a status code that matches the provided options for non-existing URL. To continue, please what? Okay, so maybe, you know what? I forgot to put the HTTPS in front, right? HTTPS. Now. Certificate. Oh man, GoBuster. TLDR GoBuster. Was there some information about skipping? Come on. Why are you gonna do this to me? GoBuster skip. What is it? Certification validation. I could start becoming a rapper. Certification validation. Was closed via 3.7. Okay. Add CLI flag to skip certificate verification. Oh wow, it would be cool if I knew how to do that. Wouldn't it be cool to know that? Yes, it would. Let me know in the comments if you would like to know how to do that. So let's go with this. Fuzzing mode, we could try that one later on. So how do we have, now where do we have the option to skip verification. I thought they added this option. When was this added? Like 2 days ago? No. Okay, but what's the flag? Why isn't it in your help? Is it in the readme? Okay, the readme looks... Oh dear, mode. We have follows... Yeah, okay, let's do the R because we want to follow the redirects. Okay, so let's extend our GoBuster command. Is this episode gonna be just me running GoBuster? Maybe. You can find out if you stick till the end. So R, and then we have no password, status code, timeout, user. No. Where do we have the certificate? Okay, it's -k. It's exactly the same as in curl. Why am I stupid? Why didn't I try this? Huh? What? Okay, this matches with something? How does that match with something? What the hell is happening? This page doesn't exist. Ah, okay. So we need a way to continue. Please exclude the status code, the length, or use the wildcard switch. Now let's try. What was it? I think there is a way. Somewhere in here. Let's check the wildcard. Force continued operation when wildcard found. Okay, let's do. What did I do? What did I do? I clicked the wrong buttons and now everything is hacker mode. Okay, wildcard. The wildcard is... This page doesn't exist. That makes no sense. Let's run this. Alright. Oh, can we exclude the size? Let's exclude size. Exclude. What the hell was that? Exclude. What? I mean, I think it was called length and not size. Size. Okay. Length. Is there something else for length? Content length. Show length. Nope. Okay. Wow, this episode is very interesting. It's basically me just finding out how this thing works. Okay, I guess I'm gonna run this with an output so we know we have Dirbuster log, I guess. Let me run this, and I think that's all for today. I won't bother you with this entire Dirbusting, but I hope to see you in the next episode when this has run through and we can continue finding out what's happening, because I see there are a couple of things that are longer. It's already finished. Amazing. But see you in the next episode nevertheless. Bye bye.